You've probably told yourself this before. I'm not addicted to YouTube. I'm learning. And hey, I get it because that's what I used to tell myself too. I'd convince myself that I was being productive, watching psychology breakdowns, business podcasts, productivity gurus. But if I'm honest, 90% of what I watched didn't change a single thing about my life. Here's the truth. YouTube addiction doesn't look like an addiction. It hides under the word educational. 1. The dopamine trap. You didn't notice psychologists have proven this again and again. Your brain doesn't get hooked on content. It gets hooked on anticipation. That moment before you click a new video, that's when dopamine spikes. Your brain whispers, maybe this one will finally change me. Spoiler, it won't, because YouTube isn't giving you what you need. It's giving you what will keep you watching. The entire platform is engineered to hijack your dopamine system, the same part of the brain that drives gambling and drug addiction. Every scroll, every thumbnail, every autoplay, it's a psychological experiment, and you're the subject. Once you realize that, it's game over for the algorithm. 2. You're not watching, you're escaping. Here's something uncomfortable. Most people don't watch YouTube because they're bored. They watch because they're avoiding something. Psychology calls this escape behavior. Your brain uses entertainment to hide from discomfort. The assignment you didn't start, the dream you didn't chase, the life that feels stuck. And YouTube is the perfect escape because it lets you feel productive while doing nothing. You're not watching for fun. You're watching to avoid feeling like you're wasting your life. Ironically, that's exactly what wastes it. 3. The system that beats addiction without quitting. Here's the twist. You don't have to quit. You just have to break the system. Psychologists call it friction theory. Add a little resistance and habits lose their grip. Here's how. Move YouTube to a hidden folder. Log out every time you close it. Turn off autoplay and recommendations. Watch only what you search for, never what's suggested. That one rule alone will destroy the addiction because now you choose what you consume. And if you think you'll miss out, remember this. Nothing truly important is hiding in the next video. 4. The hard reset no one talks about. When you stop binging, your brain panics. It's used to constant stimulation. But after a few days, something crazy happens. You start getting dopamine from real life again, from finishing a task, from making progress, from being present. That's your brain healing. That's what the algorithm doesn't want because a focused mind doesn't scroll. 5. The truth that'll scare you in a good way. Psychologists at Stanford once said, the greatest addiction of our time isn't drugs, it's distraction. And they're right, because when you lose your attention, you lose your life in pieces, one video at a time. But here's the good news. Quitting YouTube addiction isn't about deleting the app. It's about deleting the version of you that can't control it. When you decide to stop scrolling mindlessly, you don't just beat an algorithm. You become the kind of person algorithms can't control. So, here's what I want you to do. Don't subscribe yet. Close this video. Prove to yourself that you're in control. And if you actually come back, not because of dopamine, but because you chose to, then hit subscribe, because this channel isn't here to trap your attention. It's here to help you take it back. Stay aware. Stay focused. And remember, quitting YouTube isn't hard. Quitting the version of you that needs it